One of the things that was unique among the Prairie School landscape architects was the way they planted their plantings. They tended to plant in layers. If you look here, you see layers of plants. They would layer for height, they would layer for color, and they would layer for seasons. So that all times of the year you would see something different. But one of the really unique things that Caldwell did was using the rocks as part of the gardenscape as well. The stones he'd plant flowers or plants on top, as you can see here, but he'd also put plants in between the stones. As we come over here, you can see a little bit more. And all along, very much an imitation of what happens in nature. Plants always find the way to get the light they need, the water they need, the nutrition they need, even if it means breaking through rocks.